Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Elegant Carmine Cloak in Crimson Desert. Now currently on my map right now, I'm right next to the Marnie's Mysterium, which is pretty much all the way here to the end of the Lycia right here. There is an Abyss Nexus right here that you can take for your convenience. The area that we're going to go into is filled with pretty much a lot of hostile enemy robots, so I really recommend to just bolt right inside to get the blueprint for the cloak. Alright, now from the main road, I do recommend going on horseback and just running for your life all the way. Now once you find yourself on the main road, just go on horseback and try to avoid as much enemies as possible. And then go over here to the top and try to run as fast as you can. And then finally, once you've reached this point, get off your horse, go over here to the left. And then you're gonna arrive here on the library and there is going to be an enemy that's gonna block your path. Over here is where you're gonna find the blueprint. Alright, now once you have defeated that big enemy, and if you did manage to break the bookshelves right here, don't worry about it. The book will be completely safe as you can see right here. But if you did manage to beat the big guy without breaking the bookshelf, it should just be on the bookshelf to the far left. Now just take the blueprint, go over to your inventory, open up the book, press down Control, and then you will learn the recipe. And once you've learned the recipe, just approach any smithy you can find, go over to crafting, and go over to the categories until you can find the Elegant Cloak. Now for the stats of the cloak, it does provide 4 on defense and level 4 on refinement, and a good lightning resistance of level 3. And this is what it would look like on Damien. And that's about it on how to get the Elegant Carmine Cloak in Crimson Desert.